How to fix Instagram story views. Hello guys, so to fix the story views glitch is very easy actually. All what you have to do, go to settings, go to apps manager, and then go to the apps again here. Now on this page, all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it. After you click on it, now all what you have to do here is go to the data usage and scroll down, and then go to the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, disable them and enable them again like this, and then click here on force stop, and now restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.